Muathe with Muathe.com. As a follow-up to this video here, where I was discussing CWEI, let's take a look at the stock that is purchasing this company. In fact, at the time I was recording the video, I was not aware of the purchase, but let's take a look at the parent to be company and take a look at the long-term monthly chart. And here we have the all data monthly chart for NBL. So what I'm going to show you here is what happens when stocks bounce with uniform activity around their RSI 50. We go back even to the 90s here. This is 92 off the lows. Uniform activity bounce here. Double bottom uniform activity bounce for the lows there. And we can find many instances on this chart. So to save time, let's take a look at the most recent ones here. Uniform activity below 50, back above it for the lows in 2010. Uniform activity below 50, back above it for the lows here of late 2011. Uniform activity bounce at the lows of 2012. The reason why I bring that up is because right now we are looking at the possibility of what could end up being uniform activity rejection here. And if that's the case, then that suggests that around here is a short-term high, and chances are that the next major swing trade would be lower. Now that would be consistent with our previous analysis for CWEI. Also, there is a backtest line that we can also consider, and the line goes back to the lows here. It's a very simple line. This line connects the previous lows, going back to this double bottom through these lows, close here, touching that low, and once we broke below that level or below the line here, we cracked, which is this movement in the 60s. Now we are coming back to backtest this line. If we are unable to move above that line, chances are that this is where we might start seeing that significant pullback that is being right now displayed by the potential of the 50 RSI becoming rejection territory. So based on this analysis and the prior analysis for CWEI, chances are here also we are looking at the next major potential direction being down, unless the stock can do two things. One, move above RSI 50, and then two, it would need to move above this backtest line. Without those two things happening, one more time, here we would be expecting yet again that the instrument is more than likely poised to record lower prices in the coming months. Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.